Hello, Bodkin here. I'm just showing you how to magnetize a screwdriver. I've just got a staple here, and as you can see, the screwdriver is not magnetic, so it won't pick it up. So I've got this device here. They're quite cheap, and so we just put it in and rub it against in this slot of this. Like so. Now let's try it and see if it's magnetic now. There you go, look. It's as simple as that, just to magnetise a screwdriver. There's also a slot where you can demagnetise them in the same fashion. It'll only cost you a few pounds or dollars, and they're readily available on the internet. But it's just a simple tip how to magnetise tools so you don't lose screws.